Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to easily change the language settings on your Chrome or Firefox browser inside your Forex VPS. Whether you need to switch to English, Indonesian, or another language, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Google Chrome browser on your VPS. Then click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 2. Scroll down to the Languages section in the Settings menu. Click on Add Languages if your preferred language isn't already listed. Search for and select the language you want to use. Then click Add. Step 3. After adding the language, click the three-dot menu next to the newly added language. Then select Display Google Chrome in this language. Confirm the action and click Relaunch to restart the browser in the new language. Once the browser restarts, check that the interface is now displayed in your chosen language. Next tutorials, we'll show you how to easily change language on Mozilla Firefox in VPS. Step 1. Open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your VPS. Then click on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Scroll down to the General tab in the Settings menu. Look for the Language section. Step 3. Click on Search for more languages under the Language section. Choose the language you want to add and click Select. Confirm by clicking Add and then OK. Step 4. Restart Firefox to ensure the changes take effect. The browser interface should now appear in your selected language. Additional tips for changing language on VPS browsers. 1. Keep your browser updated. 2. Check VPS OS language support. 3. Monitor resource usage. Next, some frequently asked questions about change language on Chrome, Firefox VPS. And that's it. Now you know how to change the browser language on your VPS with just a few clicks. Give it a try and customize your browsing experience the way you like. If this video was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.